Hi, today we're going to make pizza. We're going to make first the dough. I'm going to show you how to make the dough by hand. Tablespoon of yeast, 1 cup of warm water. This will activate the yeast. And for a change, instead of sugar, I'm going to put a little bit of honey. So I put about a tablespoon of honey. Salt is very important. If you do not put salt, it's not going to taste good. My 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1, 2 and a half. Mix all this up, first with the spoon, and then I'm going to use my hands to knead it. So I mixed up the liquids with the flour. This dough will fit a 14-inch pizza pan, and you could use a pan, or either you could put it straight on a pizza stone. Either way. You're going to take all your dough with the flour, put it on the table. Using this back part of your hand, you're going to push and bring it forward. Push and bring it forward. Knead it, it'll look like this. Flour will take away all the pizza dough from your hands. So I do own a mixer, but I prefer to do this pizza by hand, the pizza dough. It's also therapeutic, and this makes a great pizza crust with the olive oil inside. Also, sometimes I mix half white flour, gluten, or you can mix it with half of the amount with whole wheat flour. This is the best time to have the kids involved, and then they can help you knead. For them, it's like Play-Doh. It's like Play-Doh. The kids love it. They play with it. They play with the dough. Less TV, less electronics. They help in the kitchen. So here's my pizza dough, nice and smooth. We're going to rest it for about 10 minutes. I have my bowl. I covered the pizza dough with olive oil. Nice and healthy. I cover my dough with a damp kitchen towel. After a couple of hours, the dough will double or triple in its size. We're going to punch the dough, so we're going to take all the air out. Sort of knead it back again. We're going to start working to form our pizza. I'm using oil and not flour this time under my pizza dough. Helping the pizza to expand. Oops, Opa. This really helps to stretch the dough. You don't have to be Italian to do this. It takes a little practice. Please see all our other videos for the pizza sauce and toppings. And this is how you make your pizza dough. Thank you for joining me.